And honestly, I was really exhausted. I feel like I'm definitely getting a cold from Thursday. Um and I didn't notice that yesterday. I just thought like, why am I so tired today? That's probably why. Um so no, we didn't do that. You should try my French onion soup without the onions, the cheese, or the bread. It's just broth. Onion broth. No, wait, without the onions. I guess it's just chicken broth? Yeah, there's lots of those on the all recipes one. Didn't try this recipe yet, but sweet potato with rice is always good. 5 stars. Yeah. Yeah, people rating things before they even try it. That actually happens a lot with book reviews. People will rate books that from an author that they like and they just like rate it 5 stars when it's not even available for like anything yet. Not even the review copies are out. It's just like a title page and nothing else. And people are like 5 stars because this author is great. And there's also the opposite where they're like 1 star because this nothing this author does is good or something like. Would you just read the book? My goodness. Love a borth. Makes me irate, pun intended, haha. 1 star. The book gave me a paper cut. It's actually really interesting to see the variation of reviews for books on Amazon because some of the reviews have to do with the book itself. Like this book was really good or this book was really bad, but a lot of the reviews have to do with like it arrived late, it arrived crumpled, or just things like that. And it's really funny the separation between what the reviews are about. So the stars mean nothing for books on Amazon because it's just so intermixed with that. Um, so I never really look up things like that. Oh no, what? But yeah, for book reviews, I definitely look at Goodreads or Storygraph and things like that. I also heard of another app recently, um, called Shelf, and it's books, but it's also other media. I haven't made an account or anything yet, but I think you can add movies to it as well. So it's like an all media consumption kind of app and like putting your ratings for all of them on there. I thought it sounded interesting. Twitch told me your stream crashed. Oh no. Well, we're definitely not crashed. But not that I know of, at least. Still says we're in the green, so that's good. 1 star, first edition is missing the last 10 pages. Couldn't have been more mixed on that being there. All right, I guess it's time for this area down here. But maybe I'll do the waffles first because I want to paint the waffles. So I think waffles first. A 1 star review on Goodreads recently. Don't want to read depressing books. If I want to be depressed, just listen to my own thoughts. Oh my gosh. Exactly, yeah. I think a good like there are books I read that I give 1 stars to, but usually that's because they're just so bad. Um basically like it's subjective, but the